head to dinner tonight. I'm going to Workshop Kitchen. If you've ever been to their location in Palm Springs, there's one in LA now. I just wanted to show you guys what I have on. So I've got on this corset top. I will link everything down below. And then just some black trousers or pants, depending on where you live. And these are the shoes. And then for the bags, I can't decide if I want to bring this Fendi one or this vintage Coach one. I've actually had this, I bought it myself years ago, brand new, and I kept it ever since. And now Coach is back in style, so not sure which one. And I'm wearing these gold hoop earrings, just some nice simple accessories, and these cool black and white rings, which there you can see them. I bought these in Mexico. And you can't smell me, but I am wearing the Byredo perfume. It's called Mojave Ghost. And then for lipstick, I put on a little bit of a nude. It's that popular like TikTok L'Oreal nude lip. I'll link it below. I can't remember the name of it. It's in one of these bags. Thank you.
How are you doing this evening, my friend? Hey, how are you? We're very well, thank you. Would you like tap water? You can see a little bit of glitter in there.
There's glitter? Oh my goodness. Wow.
It's for you.
Oh, yeah.
Making credit for me, and I'm like, oh, I'm sorry.
Mine's good, yeah. Take those scumbags off
It's good. Oh, it's an artichoke part. What's this weird thing in the bottom? It looks like a quail leg. It's nice smell. Legally, there's your half.
Thank you.
Skinny little one. Would you like me to pass you a larger one?
Great, please.